Okay, so what song best describes the day-to-day life of a plumber?
Taking care of business.
Who's that by?
BTO.
BTO, good song.
I would say definitely Katy Perry's Hot and Cold, because we deal with hot and cold situations in our day-to-day life.
Awesome, love it. Great song.
Yes, thank you.
Working Men.
Who's that by?
Rush.
Rush. Good song.
My favorite group, and it was a very popular song back in the late 70s with the working men.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Canadian too.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
Ooh, that would have to be Twist and Shout by the Beatles.
Good.
'Cause plumbers know how to have a good time and get the job done.
Yeah, they do. Awesome.
The best I could come up with, honestly, was Adele Set Fire to the Rain. I just see water and fire and issues, and I'm sure plumbers encounter a lot of things which they would rather set fire to than fix them at the moment. So that's going to be my answer for that question.
Okay, so it's Don't Stop Me Now by Queen.
Oh, great song. What's
Because a lot of people call me Mr. Fahrenheit. And, you know, heat and plumbing and all
Oh,
that.
yeah, absolutely.
Measuring Fahrenheit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's Not My Fault by Brothers Osborne, because if you ever have a leak, it's not my fault.